Good morning, knee warriors. Are your knees creaking louder than your old door when you get out of bed? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'm going to show you a fun, easy, and delicious morning joint tonic that's like a wake-up call for your knees. And trust me, they'll thank you. First things first, grab a cup of warm water. Not boiling, we're making magic, not tea for a dragon. Into that, toss 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Feel that spicy aroma rising? That's the ginger saying, hello. Let's loosen those joints. Now, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, the golden spice that's basically Mother Nature's personal trainer for your knees. Can you see that gorgeous yellow color swirling around? That's liquid sunshine. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Ah, that zing! It wakes up your senses and gives your joints a tiny happy dance. Then, a teaspoon of honey, because life is better with a little sweetness, and so are your knees. And last, sprinkle half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Yes, cinnamon. Because why shouldn't your morning drink smell like a cozy bakery while healing your joints? Alright, now mix it all together slowly, giving it a little swirl. Take a deep sniff, inhale that golden aroma. Can you feel it already? That's your joints whispering, finally, someone gets us. Don't rush, let your senses enjoy this mini spa moment. Ah, perfection. Now, let's talk benefits, and I'll throw in some fun facts to keep it lively. Ginger is not just spicy, it helps reduce inflammation. Turmeric contains curcumin, which many studies say supports joint comfort. Lemon is packed with vitamin C to nourish cartilage, and cinnamon? Well, cinnamon just makes you happy while you sip. Honey brings it all together and soothes. It's like a superhero team for your knees, all in a cup. Here's a little tip. Drink this first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. Imagine sipping this golden elixir while the sun peeks through your window, birds chirping, and your knees slowly saying, we feel amazing. If you can, do a tiny stretch afterward, just 5 seconds, and notice the difference. Your joints love this extra little attention. Let's get a bit playful. Picture walking down the street, and your knees aren't squeaking or creaking. You're gliding like a pro dancer. Your friends ask, what's your secret? And you smile mysteriously, knowing it's your morning joint tonic giving you that bounce. That's the feeling we're aiming for here, happy, mobile knees that make you feel unstoppable. You can sip this drink 3 to 4 times a week, but consistency is key. Think of it as a morning ritual. A few minutes for your senses, a few minutes for your joints, a few minutes of pure, you time. And the best part? It's fun, easy, and makes you feel like a wellness wizard in your own kitchen. So, if you loved this playful morning routine, like this video, subscribe, and comment below * with your favorite joint-friendly recipe idea.